Go. Go.
Get out of my town. Welcome back to 155 Davis Adventures, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make chicken water.
Chicken water?
It's delicious, trust me. You get a chicken fling, take out a chicken.
And what exactly is a chicken fling for our audience members who may not know?
A toy.
A toy. What do you do with a chicken fling?
This is what you do.
Sure enough, you fling the chicken. Okay, now how are you going to make chicken water with a chicken fling?
You get one of these, you come to the bathroom, turn on the water, fill up the inner guts.
You have to turn around to the camera so we can see you.
And then you drink it.
Ew.
Yeah, it's gross.
Yeah.
Trust me, but the water is delicious.
Does it taste like chicken?
Yeah.
All right, we'll turn around and tell us what it tastes like.
Chicken!